Hello, my name is Patrick Green. I'm CEO of the Ben Kinsella Trust. The Ben Kinsella Trust was formed in 2008 following the tragic murder of Ben in Islington in North London. Since 2012, at this exhibition in Finsbury Library in Islington, we've run workshops with young people talking about the dangers of knife crime and helping them to stay safe. We've invested significant resources into the Trauma-Informed Practice project. Knife crime is a sensitive subject. And it's important that our services are trauma-informed because that protects young people, it protects our staff, and it protects victims of knife crime. The project has led to significant changes in our organisation, from simple things like placing trigger warnings in some of the rooms to help young people, but also more complex changes with policies and procedures. There is no doubt that the Ben Kinsella Trust and the community we serve are better placed following this project.